Hi Virgo, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your monthly love reading for the month of August 2020. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not. If it resonate with you, you can take guideline from these readings. If it not resonate with you, you can simply skip it. For covering every area of your love life, I'm gonna take 4 cards for your partner's feelings, 4 cards for your feelings, and 2 cards for your mutual feeling and energies. So let's get started. What is the Virgo person's feelings towards Virgo? What is the Virgo person's feelings towards Virgo? What is the Virgo person's feelings towards Virgo? And we are having Wheel of Fortune, 3 of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and 8 of Pentacle. Ace of Pentacle and 8 of Pentacle. So what are your feelings toward this person? What are your feelings toward this person? What are the We are having 4 of Wands, 3 of Pentacles, 4 of two of Swords, and Page of Pentacle. What is the mutual energy? What is the mutual energy? We are having 5 of Wand and Temperance. These are your card in front of me, Virgo. Hope let's talk about your person's feeling first. So let's talk about your person's feelings. Okay. So Virgo, first of all, this person, they consider you, their happiness, their joy, their everything. Without you, they feel like they are not gonna have any happiness in their life. You are their life. You are so lucky for this person. They consider you very lucky. Someone is someone very who is very down to earth. Also could be possible you are very beautiful as well. That's why they are charmed by your beauty as well. With this 3 of Cup, they feel some kind of nourishment, and it's kind of uh, closeness. They feel like it's like a friend. It's a very close friend. They feel like that they you are more like their friend, unlike a mother, and like the very close relationship to them. That's why I feel like they just wanna work on this connection with you. They want you in their life, and also they want to have this beginning they happened with you, because this is someone who definitely in love with you, and they want stability, joy, happiness, and earthly love, marriage, and long lasting relationship with you. This is someone who is serious. He is not like that. We can see here they consider you their divine person or divine woman, their the love of their life. They are having very close kind of feelings with you. It's like earthly vibrations and very charismatic, magnificent. So you are like perfect. They consider you as perfect. That's why they just want to work on this connection. They want a stability marriage with you, and this is truth here. And the thing is that the passion is also there, as you can see how passionately is working, and dedication is also there. This person is not only just wanna work, but they just they want longer. They just wanna marry you. What I will say here. So let's what is your feeling about this person? You also wanna work on this connection with this person, with this 3 of Pentacle, planning for marriage here. I feel like you are asking for marriage. You want marriage. This person asking you, or maybe this person is asking you for marriage, marry them. So maybe you are indecisive about it, because we are having 2 of Swords, or you are stuck somewhere as well, because you want more time to figure out things, and you just a little bit confused as well what to do, because he's a very quick. So you are just a little bit confused, but you also want the same thing here. You also want love, happiness, and a long lasting relationship with this person. And that's why you are also a little bit indecisive, but you know that this can work. You both can work on this connection. You both are in love with each other. So let's see what is the mutual energy here. So in mutual energy, some kind of fine is going on here. With this fine of one, with this temperance, you both are little bit it's very common relationship that the one person want one and the other person want another thing. So both are having some kind of a conflict with each other. Maybe you both just wanna compromise here. Uh, the but the love is also there, because you both feel like without each other you are not gonna be so happy as well. That's why the fight is going on, but you both can bring each other peace, happiness and joy. With this temperance card, you both are you both want balance as well. The thing is that you want from this person to, maybe they want you to give you balance and give you commitment, but you are taking some time here. You are currently looking for you could be avoiding this situation sometime. You maybe it's discussion about marriage and you are just discussing it. So let's see. So let's see. Yes, we have what else we have for Virgo. Nine of Cups, Hierophant, Chariot. Okay, Virgo. So this is happen here. We are having Nine of Cups. You are also wishing, dreaming for this person. Currently, I feel like you are enjoying your life as well, making your dreams come true. But they just simply want marriage and commitment with you. They just cannot leave you like that. And also, this person is coming towards you with the love offering. And I think for most of you, it could be a new person, and that person will want to marry you. And you are taking a lot of time here. You are currently not able to decide. It could be simply a new person, so that's why you are taking more time to know how analyze this person. And but I feel like this person is absolutely sure they want you and they don't want someone else. That without you they are not gonna have this beautiful life, and you are their happiness. They can commit with you because you are the perfect partner, perfect marriage material for this person. And the simple truth is that this person is in love with you and they wanna marry you here. And with this Chariot card as an outcome, we can see here a drive. It's a very strong card. We can see here. So definitely this person taking step towards you, coming towards you with the proposal, with the love offering, because they cannot live without you. This is someone who is deeply in love with you. They just want to marry you, commit you. They are definitely going to force you to marry with them as well. And also I feel like if there is some kind of conflict going, that conflict is also going to resolve. Maybe there is a marriage discussion, and you are telling that what is in your life, and they telling you what is happening in their life, and you are both discussing about it and having little bit argument and disagreements, and then start this discussion again, and this will resolve. This is just conversation between two adults to how to make things happen. So this will resolve with this Chariot card. This will resolve. They are ready to do whatever they can do, fix this situation. They are simply in love with you. So let's see what else we have in your advice messages in the end, Virgo. What we have for Virgo in the advice messages. We are having, listen to your heart. You can do anything you want. Leave the past and move forward, move on. these are some advices for you, for my Virgo people. Hope this resonate with you. If it resonate with you, you can support my channel. Thanks for listening. God bless you. Bye.